The word cancer just instills fear. Hi, I'm Dr. Nita Nair, the breast cancer surgeon at Apollo Hospitals Navi Mumbai. Our women show great strength and resilience when overcoming this disease, but we need them to come out and talk to each other. There are so many myths associated with this cancer that we need to come together to bust them. At Apollo Hospital, we have created the concept of a hope board. Our women leave encouraging messages for the next woman. Some of our cancer survivors, or thrivers as I call them, would like to share their stories with you. Their confidence should encourage you. Do not fear it. Come in early.
Hi, my name is Nita Nair. I'm from Goa. I was diagnosed with cancer by fluke when I went just for a checkup because of my cold which I had, and they detected a lump in my left breast. After which my sister called me to Bombay to go to Apollo Hospital where the treatment is good. That's where I met with Dr. D'Cruz, and Dr. D'Cruz put me on to Dr. Nita Nair, and my radiologist was Dr. Dev. And everything went through very well. My message to everyone is, please do come in for early detection like I did. And because of the early detection, my breast was saved. And I would like all of you not to feel scared of anything, but come forward when you think there's something wrong. It's better to detect it early and prevent it if you can.